Welcome to the class, students. Today in this class, let us solve some problems on consumer price index numbers. In examination, you will get one particular problem on this consumer price index number or cost of living price index number. Let us solve the problems on this. So, take down the problem first. Compute cost of living index number by using aggregate expenditure method. Aggregate expenditure method. Commodities, base year price expenditure, current year price. So, I will write down the commodities for this. Okay. It is A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I and J. It is 4 plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Next price, it is 20, 16, 18, 100, 40, 2, 150, 75, 7.5 and this is 1000. And expenditure, it is 600, 640, 360, 400, 400, 20, next 1200, 2250, 900, 1000. Next price, it is 24, 18, 20, 120, 60, 2.5. Next 70, 170, 85, 11 and 1400. So this is the problem they have given. Okay. For this problem, we have to find aggregative expenditure method. The formula to find cost of living index number using aggregative expenditure method. The formula is summation of P1 Q0 by summation P0 Q0 into 100. But in this problem, base year price we can take it as P0 and expenditure is P0 Q0 and current year price is P1. But we don't know the value of Q0, but we want the product of P1 Q0. For that, we have to calculate Q0. Q0 is P0 Q0 divided by Q0. So, take the ratio of expenditure and the price in the base year and the values are like this. It is 30, 40, 20, 4, 10, 10, 8, 30, 120 and 1. Next, take the product of P1 Q0. P1 is price and Q0, take the product of these two and the values are 720, 720, 400, 480, 600, 25. Next 1360, 2550, 1320, 1400. Now take the summation of this and summation of P0 Q0. The summation of P0 Q0 is 7770 and this is 9575. Now you substitute these two values in aggregative expenditure method formula. Here 9575 by 7770 into 100. So cost of living index number is 123.2303. So this is our cost of living index number. And this is about aggregative expenditure method. Let's go for another one. with the same method, that is aggregative expenditure method, we have to solve. So I'll retain the formula as it is. I'll write on the problem. Commodities, again base year, it is base year price they have given, base year price it is for 2005. It is just a price for 2 years, 2012. Okay, next is number of units. So commodities are like this: rice, sugar, dal, tea, fuel, cloth, house rent, miscellaneous. Okay, and next price under 2005 is 1600, 1500, 2100, 60, 400, 500, 1500 and 2000. And price under 2012, it is 3800, 3200, 6400, 100, 1000, 600, 3200 and the 3000. Number of units is 4, 0.6, 1, 3, 12, 1, 12 and 12. Here price of 2005, let us consider this as base, that is P0, and this is for P1, and here this number of units we take it as Q0. Okay, and next is we want the product of P1 Q0 and P0 Q0. Let's take the product of these two. One is P0 Q0 and another one is P1 Q0. P0 Q0 is this one, then P1 Q1 is this one. So I'll write down the product of these two: 900, 2100, 180, 4800, 500, 1800 for 18th, 24000. Next is for P1 Q1, I am writing the values: 15200, 1920, 6400, 300, 12,000, 600, 38,400, 36,000. Now take the summation of these two. This is 56880, 1,10,820. So substitute this and this formula. It is 1,10,820 divided by 56,880 into 100. So cost of living index number for executive expenditure method is 194.8312. 184.8312. This is about aggregative expenditure method. Next we will go for the another method, another formula in this cost of living index number. Next we will use another formula, that is price related method formula, that we will use now. Okay, just compute cost of living index number, CLI, cost of living index number for the following data. Here this is group and weight, and next price. We have a price for base year, current year. So It is food, housing, clothing, fuel, miscellaneous. And weights are like this: 10, 5, 3, 7, 5. And price for base year, it is 2000, 800, 400, 500, 800. Current year price 2520, 1200, 500, 700 and the 1000. This is the problem they have given. They have given this with the weights and the prices. They have not mentioned, they have not given the quantities or a number of units. So let's go for the price relative first. First calculate the price relative, that is P1 by P0 into 100. Okay, already you know with weights how to calculate using AM. So same formula we are using here. So this is first we have to calculate the price relatives, that is capital P. Base year price is P0, current year price is P1. So take the ratio of these two, then multiply by 100. And last column is P into W. W is nothing but weight. The weight we have denoted by W. At last you take the product of that. So I will write down this one. It is 126, 150, 125, 140, again 125. Now you take the product of weight and the price, that is price relative P. It is 1260, 750, 375, 980, 625, and this total is 3990, and total this summation W is 30. And the formula to find CLI, cost of living index number, is summation of PW divided by summation W, and this is 3990 divided by 30. Here we will not multiply this by 100 because we have already multiplied 100 when we are calculating the price relative P value. Here no need to multiply by 100. So here this is the value is 133. That is our CLI, that is cost of living index number. This is another method to find out the cost of living index number or consumer price index number. Let's take down another problem. Next one with the same weights only. Group A, B, C, D, E. Weights. $35, $10, $20, $15, $20. Next price. Price for 1995 and 1996. 150, 25, 75, 30, 40, 145, 23, 65, 30, 45. So here weights again we denoted by W, and price they have given only the price. When they have given only the price, in that case we should go for this method. Okay, if they are given number of units or the quantities, we should go for aggregative expenditure method. And this price for 1995 it is P0 and this is our P1. Let's calculate the price relative capital P, that is P1 by P0 into 100. P1 by P0 means take the ratio of this, then multiply by 100, and the values are like this: 96.66, 92, 86.66, 100, 112.5. Next take the product of P into W. P into W means price relative and the weight W. Take the product of these two. This is 3383.1, 920, 1733.2, 1500, 2250. Take the sum of this. This is 976.3 and the total W is 100. Now, cost of living index is equal to summation of PW divided by summation of W. Substitute the values. 9786.3 by 100, it is 97.863, that is our CLI, that is cost of living index number. And we have one more method in index number. If they are simply given the group index or expenditures, price and the expenditures, or rather they will give the group index or percentage expenses like that, during that time we should simply take the product and then we will solve the problems. Let's see some problems on that type also. Items A, B, C, D, E and F. Next it is group index. Group index 140, 120, 110, 125, 150, 135. Next, average expenditure per hour per month. It is 80, 75, 22, 44, 18, 74. See here, they have given only the average expenditure per hour per month and the group index. That group index, let us denote this by I. And this average expenditure, average expenditure, will take this as expenditure as W. You just take the product of I into W, that is index into the expenditure. That is, I will write down the values. Take the sum of this, it is 40810. Similarly, take the sum of the weight, that is 313, and the formula to find consumer price index number, it is summation of I into W divided by summation W. Instead of P, here they have given the group index, that is instead of price relative, here we got group index. So directly we will take the product and now you have to calculate. This is 40810 divided by 313 and this is 130.38. Here in this formula also we will not multiply by 100, okay, because already they have calculated the index. Simply we have to take the product. Again, no need to multiply this by the 100. This is how we have to calculate if they have given the group index. Let's see some another problem. That is CPI, that is consumer price index number. The formula will be same. Here it is items, food, clothing, rent, fuel, miscellaneous, and percentage expenses. And next is index number. This is 40, 25, 15, 5 and 15 and index number is 120, 90, 100, 105 and 95. Here percentage expenses, we will consider it as W. Index number, we consider it as denoted by I. Take the product of I into W. So product of I into W I am going to write. And the total is, and here the percentage total is 100. Substitute this in the formula, same formula, 10500 divided by 100, it is 105. That is consumer price index number is 105. In examination, they will ask for suitable index number. They will ask for the suitable index number for the given data. You have to see the data, what are the givens. If they are given the quantities, we have to go for the aggregative expenditure method if we have the quantities. If we have the weights with price, if we have only weights and the price, that time we should go for the cost of living index number. And if they have given the group index and the weightage or the percentages, then we have to go for this formula. These three are very important concepts in this chapter, and on this concept definitely you will get one 5 marks question compulsorily. Okay, please follow this one. Thank you.